conduct of vessels in restricted visibility. This rule applies to vessels which cannot see each other visually. In such cases, the radar and the sound signals may be the only mode of communication. When a vessel detects the presence of other vessels at forward of the beam by radar alone, then it should not alter course to port at any cost. A vessel is detected on any side forward of the beam of own ship. Own ship is overtaking a vessel. That is to say, own ship is abaft the beam of the other vessel. In this case, own ship can alter course to port or starboard, depending on the situation. If the other vessel is on port side of own ship, then alter course to starboard. If the other vessel is on starboard side of own ship, then alter course to port. If the other vessel is right ahead of own ship, then preferably alter course to port. If you detect a vessel, a beam, or behind the beam, by radar alone, then avoid turning towards the vessel if at all possible. Unless you are very sure that the risk of collision does not exist, and if you hear the foghorn of the other vessel, apparently forward of your beam, then reduce your speed to the minimum. Just enough to keep on course. Be prepared to stop and navigate with extreme caution until the danger of collision is over.